ways Christians help fight drug abuse. As Christians, you're supposed to guide and counsel those who abuse drugs. You guide them in a lovely manner, or you guide them without them even knowing you're guiding them about drugs. But you can also guide them like the way people from Nakada come and they counsel you and they give you the placards. Also, you preach, as Christians, you preach against drugs. You also organize seminars and you sensitize, that is, you tell the public about the dangers of drug addiction. Also, you take part in destroying drugs. You find a student with drugs, you destroy them. Also, you support the government in fighting against what? Drugs. If the government doesn't want people to use shisha, you ensure that no one has the shisha bottle in their homes. You also provide support to NGOs that fight against drug abuse. You publish books, you can write books and journals that deal with dangers of posting drug addiction. You can give your story if you are addicted and how you stopped. And the issues. Actually, nowadays I see people who are giving stories on TikTok. But this person was funny. He was saying he bought a coach for 150,000. And then when he felt that he doesn't have money to drink, he took it and he sold it for 30,000. The next Odema told him, I want your sofa. So how much you'll give? 30,000. I only have that. And he took it, and it was for 150,000. And he had not even used it for a month. So people tend to, if you're a drunkard, that is the worst thing actually I usually tell people. People take advantage of you. They take advantage of you because they know you just need the money for drink. They'll tell you, go get your mother's sugar and bring it. And they buy at the lowest price. It can be a kilo and they tell you, I'll give you 50 because what you're going to buy is 50 shillings. And you accept because you have no chance. If you're taking, you have iron box, they tell you, I'll give you just 100. And the iron box is 1,000 and something. And you will accept. If you're taking maize, that is what you'll do. People take advantage. They already know you, so they take advantage. Even here in school, they tell you, these shoes, I'll give you 100. This book, you are bought for Med Familia. I'll give you 200 for bread. And we know very well you're not buying bread, but someone is taking advantage of you. But you've already bought it. What are you going to do? That's how people start fighting in schools. We ask you, what is the problem? Why are you fighting him? And you're not talking. Why are you fighting him? And you're not talking. It starts like that. Also, another way that Christians can help fight drug abuse is you launch campaigns in the schools and colleges. That is, you educate the youth on dangers of using drugs. Also, rehabilitation for the people who are drug addicts. If you go to a good rehab, you're going to go. There is a way that they'll ensure that you're not drinking, but your body still can be able to stand. They'll give you there's a lot of counseling, a lot of talking.